Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and the good people over at Tangem have been kind enough to send me a CAS token commemorative version of the new Tangem wallet. So I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how to do a restore from your 12-word seed phrase. As you may be aware, the new Tangem wallets support seed phrases. And I showed you how to get that new wallet set up a few weeks ago. I'll put a link to that video up in the corner and down in the description below. So today I'm going to show you how to do a restore. Now you may have lost all 3 of your cards, and so you need to do a restore using the 12-word recovery phrase that you wrote down when you set up your original set. So that's the crucial operation that we're doing today. In that scenario, we've bought a new set of cards and we're going to set up these cards and do a restore using our seed phrase that will give us access to all of the crypto that we had stored on our original set. Also, I'm going to do a little bit of a trick because I have not lost my original set. I have all 3 of the cards that I set up when I created my 12-word backup phrase. So what I'm going to do with this set is do a restore, and then I will have an additional 3 cards that are linked to the exact same wallet, which will expand my set from 3 to 6. So I think a lot of people would be interested in expanding the number of cards that they have that will give them access to the crypto that they have stored in the Tangem wallet. So let's see how that works, and we'll have some fun today. All right, so I'm here on the Tangem homepage. I'm going to put an affiliate link down below so that you can get your hands on a Tangem wallet if you're interested. Be sure and check out all of my other videos related to Tangem where I show you how to get the wallet set up and I demonstrate some of the new features of their app. And I'll put links to those videos down there as well. So today we're going to do a restore. As I mentioned, I've got a brand new wallet that the good people at Tangem were nice enough to send over, and it's a CAS token commemorative edition. So I'm really excited to open this up, and I'll show you how to manage a little bit of your CAS tokens while we're at it. So I've got my Tangem wallet here. Let's open it up. This is my CASPA edition card set. It's pretty cool. The cards are interchangeable, but once you've set them up, it will indicate one is a primary. You'll notice on the back that they do have identifying codes for identifying each card, but it doesn't really matter which card you start with. So I'll pick one. All right, so I've got my card set here, and I already have the app on my phone. As I mentioned, I already have this wallet set up. You'll notice it's associated with the flat black card set. This is my primary. I have 2 backups as well. Right? But what we're going to do is we'll restore these 3 cards. We'll create a set with these 3 cards, but instead of doing a new wallet, we'll do a restore. So, and it should be a mirror image of this wallet, which is pretty cool. So the first thing I'll do is go to Add New Wallet, and I'll scan one of the cards. Doesn't really matter which card you scan first. All right, and instead of create a new wallet, we're going to go to other options, and instead of recording the seed phrase, we're going to import the seed phrase. So I'll tap import seed phrase, and I'm going to get a text box here where it wants me to type in my 12 words from my previous wallet. So I have my sheet here where I wrote down my 12 words. You'll notice that I wrote that it was the Tangem wallet and the date that I wrote it down. I do a lot of wallets, and I've run across a seed phrase with no indication of which wallet it goes to, and it can be a little confusing. So I like to make sure when I write a seed phrase down that I indicate the wallet and the date. So these are my 12 words. I'm going to write these 12 words into this text box. All right, so we'll start with the first word. The word will autocomplete down below. You can just tap it as you see it. All right, it's going to add the space for you, and you can continue on. All right, once you've typed in all 12 words, you'll tap import. It wants you to bring the card up to the back of the phone and you've just restored your wallet onto this new card. Now it wants you to add the backup cards to the set, so I'll get those ready. We'll tap Add Backup Card. We'll bring the backup card to the back of the phone. All right, I've added one card, and then it wants me to add the second, so I'll tap Add Backup Card again. I'll bring the second card up. All right, and I've initialized all 3 cards now. We'll hit Finalize Backup. Now we want to create this access code. This will personalize the cards and lock them so that no one else will have access to your cards. A lot of people ask me, what happens if I lose the card? Will somebody be able to get my crypto? No, they won't, because they won't have the access code. If they try to download the app and connect the card to their phone, they'll be asked for the access code. This is your security against someone finding your cards. All right, so we have to imprint all 3 cards with the access code. I've got my primary card ready. We'll hit Continue. We'll create an access code. You can use letters and numbers. So we'll hit Continue here. They want the access code again. All right, and then we'll scan the primary card. And remember to keep holding it to the back of the phone as it counts down. It's imprinting the card with your access code. All right, now it wants you to scan the backup card number 1. Just hold it to the back of the phone. If you get mixed up and bring up the wrong card, it'll tell you. That's not the right card. So don't worry if you get them mixed up. All right, and then it wants my backup 2, my second backup card. I'll hit Scan the card. I'll bring that up. And so now it has imprinted all 3 cards with your access code so that no one else can use your cards. And then when you're done, you can choose Continue to Wallet. And lo and behold, you can see that same set is there now. It didn't even create a new set for me. But the cool thing is now I have 6 cards. I know the black cards are a little bit hard to see, but now I have 6 cards tied to the same wallet. Now I have a more flexible backup solution, right? I can hide these cards in lots of different places. Maybe put one in a safe deposit box, maybe give one to a trusted friend, or even give the entire set to my wife if she never ever needs access to the wallet. So that's pretty cool. So of course, if you had lost all 3 of your original set, this new set would give you full access to this wallet. So why don't we test this out? Let's see if the cards are interchangeable. So I have this other wallet over here, and I'll put some Caspa in here by grabbing the address, copy it into my clipboard. We'll go back to our restored wallet here. We'll just move a little Caspa from one wallet to the other. I'll paste in the address, and I'll just move a small amount. All right, and I'll hit Send, and it wants a card, and the new set of cards work just fine to authorize a transaction. Let's do the same thing, though. I think I need to let the transfer finish. Okay, yeah. Once the transfer is finished, I can do Send again. Let's do Send again to the same address. I'll send another small test amount. I'll hit Send, and then I'll bring up one of the cards from the original set. All right, it wants my access code in this case. And off it goes. Pretty cool. Now I'm wondering if I have to do the same thing with the other 2 cards. Let's try that. All right, I'll try one of the other cards. Do another small test. I'll do a Send. I'll bring up one of these backup cards. Oh, and that one worked just fine. Okay. Oh, okay. I'll do one more with the other one. All right, let's do one more Send to the same address. And we'll use this third backup card. Yeah. So really easy. So now you can see that all 6 cards are tied to this wallet. And if you're wondering, you know, oh, where'd all that Caspa go? Well, it's in my original wallet. All right, if we go back here, I can scroll over to this wallet. Yeah, see, I transferred all the Caspa over to this other wallet. So let's just put it back where it belongs, right? I like to manage it in this wallet. So I'll do receive. I'll grab the address. Let's go back to this wallet. Whoops. Let's go back to this wallet. I'll go ahead and send it all back if it's all there. It should all be there by now, I would think. We can just do maximum amount. Yeah, I sent 4 tests and there was already 100 in there from previous test. I'll hit send and then I'll bring this card. So that was the original wallet. Success. All right. Then we can go back over here and you can see that I've consolidated all my Caspa back where it was before. So you got to learn how to be adept at transferring crypto back and forth. Of course, I spent a little bit on transfer fees when I did that, but Caspa fees are pretty cheap, so it wasn't too much of a problem for me to give you guys a demo of this. So that's how you restore a card set from a previous wallet that you've backed up with a 12-word seed phrase. It can save you if you've lost all 3 of your cards, or it can expand your set by adding an additional 2 or 3 cards to your existing set to give you more flexible backup options. All right, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.